You searched for how to buy shares of WAFU Education Group Ltd. WAFU Education Group Ltd. operates in the education sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WAFU. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WAFU to locate the listing. Confirm you select WAFU Education Group Ltd. from the search results so you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart for recent performance. Make sure the company name and NASDAQ ticker WAFU match to confirm this is the right asset. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose your order type, then review the details. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to visit the platform.